In this video, we are going to see how to make a basic cleanup on our React application. So in the last episode, we tried to create a React application and then we started it up. Okay, so mine is running right now, and then this was where we stopped in the last video. Okay, so in case you didn't follow up on the last video, I would want you to just go ahead and check it out so that we can be on the same page. Okay. All right, right now, like I say, we're gonna go ahead and do some cleanup process in the application we created. Okay, so this cleanup process is more like trying to take off some things we do not need in the build or in the course of this tutorial. Okay, so what are these things? Coming to my source, okay, I can see app.test.js or app.test.js. I'll just go ahead and delete that by right clicking, and then I'll click on delete. Okay, when I do that, I will come to index CSS also. I will just go ahead and delete that, and I can also come to my logo SVG. I will go ahead and delete that. Okay, so notice on the terminal the application is already freaking out. Okay, is normal. We'll handle that in a second. I'll just come to this report vital, and I'll just click on it and also delete that. Okay, I'll also come to setup test. I'll right click that and then delete it. Okay, these are the few things you need to delete. Now, why the application is actually freaking out is because we deleted some things that are being referenced in our application, in our main build. Okay, so if I come here, you notice that it says module not found, and then can't resolve index.css because we deleted index.css, right? So it says that it cannot find it in our application in the source directory, okay, in the source folder. So all you have to do is to go and locate where index.css is being referenced, and I will just go ahead and come to index.js here. Okay, and then this is it in line 3, is being referenced in line 3. I can just go ahead and delete it. Okay, and if I save it out, you will notice that that particular error is now out, and we are left with 2 more errors. And then this one is saying that it cannot resolve logo SVG. Okay, it cannot resolve the logo SVG because we deleted it, and this logo SVG is being referenced in our app.js, as you can see here on top, logo SVG. Okay, so if I delete it from here, I will also need to delete it from this place. Okay, on this line 8, I'll just go ahead and delete it, and I'll save the file here. And of course, I should be left with just a few errors. And this is one more error. It's saying that report web vitals is no more in our directory. However, we are doing referencing it, and then how I can go about it is also to locate it where it is, and where that should be is in our index.js. I'll just go ahead and delete it here in line 4, and I'll also delete it here. We are calling it in this line 16. Also, we do not need these commented lines. Okay, I'll just go ahead and delete it and then say the word, and as you can see, the terminal is now looking nice and smiling once again. If I come to the web, you can see some things because of the index CSS I deleted. It is now taking off. It's not taking off some few stylings and then giving us this coin shape. Okay, you might go ahead and come to your app CSS and just highlight everything and delete it. Okay, and as you can see, when it is done, I'll just come back. Everything becomes your basic, more like basic HTML. Okay, so you can just come to this place in our app.js, and every other thing inside header, I'll delete it, go to the header, and then I will just leave the class of application, and I can even say just head 1, and I'll just type in done with the cleanup process, done with the cleanup process, and I can save this, and automatically it will be refreshed and then show us done with the cleanup process, and this tells us that we are up and running. Okay, that's it for this particular episode. I will see you right in the next episode. Thank you so much.